This is the great white, or the great short fisherwoman. Might have caught a fish. What is she pulling in? She's got strain on the line. She may have caught herself a fish.
I might not have.
It's really heavy.
It's not doing anything. Oh.
Oh.
Got away. There's something on there.
Yeah, well, keep going, keep pulling it in. Yep, she's got herself a fish. Oh, look at this.
I've got a fish.
She's got a fish.
Oh my god, I got a fish.
Look at this.
I got an eel. No, I got an eel.
Keep pulling it in.
I got an eel, no! I got an eel, no! I got an eel, oh yuck! I'm not doing anything with an eel! Oh fuck!
Yeah.